caramel apple cider junkie.
Raise your hand if you're a water boy.
Hey, stop it. Stop it. You better control that one. Stop. Certainly not.
I didn't say the video. I just said water boy.
No, hon. Did you just look like Steven right there? I
All I said was water boy.
so innocent. That was a good movie, wasn't it?
Go, Lane! Go, Lane! Go, Lane! Oh my God!
So that was not a hook.
Yeah. Come on, water boy!
No.
Oh, I get it.
5 minutes later.
That's a good one.
Took you long enough.
I get
What
it.
happened? Take a knee, Blue! Take a knee! I didn't see anything. Come on! There you go.
They went in the corner and couldn't stop or something.
Stripes on the hoof. Sorry, that might be derogatory.
So he stopped clock all the way through, right? I got it. I got it. Well, with the video, I'll just grab a frame of it.
Okay, when you send that out.
I will.
Wide angle HD.
The seamstress
Wide
did an
angle
amazing
HD.
job.
Yeah, that's fine.
John? Huh? The seamstress did an amazing job putting two of those shirts together. Let's go, Kent! Let's go, boys!
That's some good water.
I'm not the skinniest.
Oh, that was right there.
Yeah!
Are you sure?
That's a good penalty.
Let's go, Austin.
Let's go, Tornadoes!
Let's go, Blue!
Way to go, Brendan!
Oh, yeah. Nice shot, Zach.
Pressure, Lauren!
Whoa.
Skate it down! Come on! Okay, stay down!
Oh, come on, Lauren!
Don't just...
What? Tyler! What?
She's bringing the puck out, and she gets tripped, and there was no penalty.
We'll never have another parent-child. Oh, after that. After the Chiefs He's like running 10K. Easy. I know, but
Come on, they're shorter, man. Let's get the puck.
so does Mike. That was like 10 feet long. Yeah, Mike was they'll never forget his agony and pain. And then trying and then Michael said trying to keep the kids away from seeing it, act like everything was fine. Steven.
Everything is okay. Nothing to see here.
Well, it was funny as I was like getting ready to turn some music on. Anna had just said, hey, where's the music? So I went down there.
We're not even gonna get a shot off. Do something with it!
He's like staring at his feet. Yeah. You guys have a nice guy.
I'm gonna get in the crease!
Somebody, we need somebody in front.
Absolutely.
They're always going somewhere. Yeah, they've been in Nashville. But I guess, you know,
Go again!
There it is!
Come on, water boy! We are today.
Go, son. Get it.
It ain't open!
Go to the pipe.
Sad thing is, Steven had a lot of time. I thought he didn't have, I think he thought he didn't have a lot of time. He had plenty of time to get that shot off. But, oh well.
Man, goals have been hard to come by in this tournament.
So are shots.
Yeah, that's
We got
why.
17 this game. Wow.
They're fixing what they were doing wrong, so that's good. Oh, my God.
Up. Who? The linesman?
Okay, you got Austin in the open. Does he see it? Nope.
Just get it up. Get it deep. Get it deep. Get it deep.
Good job. Good job.
Keep it on your stick. Keep it on your stick.
Center. Center. Oh. There we go. Come on, off! Come on, off!
Good backhand. Strong backhand.
Come on, Steven!
Chase your shot!
Come on, Derek.
tip. We gotta tip something. Let's get some tips, man. Let's get some tips. There we go. They're tired. Oh, God!
Come on! Where are you aiming?
That was spectacular, Chef.
Get the speed going, dude.
Oh, he tried to get the rebound. Good try. Pressure, Lauren! Hey!
Oh, come on! He hit the puck, ref! He hit the puck.
Come on, water boy!
That's a terrible call. Now look what you're gonna do, Oss. What are you gonna do, Oss?
He's gonna force a bad pass. He did. And blow out. I mean, if you're gonna call that and not that,
Go!
I mean, at least he played the puck.
Vancouver.
Like a choir.
That was like
Go, Derek!
Go, Derek. Anticipate. Anticipate.
Take it!
Got a boy.
How can he call anything when he's on the center line? The puck's down the line.
Oh, thank you for that. We'll take a face-off down on this end. There it is. Oh. It's offsides. They didn't touch it.
Yeah, we didn't. What was that?
That's an oops.
Too much standing around. Too much not doing it.
Back in while the players are already in the zone. If it just ends up being there and you go in, yeah. Like if you were delayed with warm up, you got to retreat, you touch the puck in the zone and
Here we go, Blake. Oops. Oh man.
Way to force her out.
Where'd it go, Oz? At least he tried.
Oh, he's not even feeling it anymore.
Yeah, we see her endorphins and everything. Thank you.
Yeah.
Come on, B-Dog!
Come on.
Oh, Austin, looking the wrong way.
Send it to you. That was good.
Well, it didn't matter, but then again, they're calling. You can put your stick there, but if you don't touch it, it's not offside.